Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Bacon, a delicious journey through history, varieties and recipes. Bacon fans, you're in for a treat. Few foods capture our hearts and taste buds quite like bacon. Whether it's sizzling in a pan for breakfast or crumbled atop a gourmet salad, this savory delight has become a staple in kitchens around the world. In this video, we'll take a closer look at bacon's fascinating history and discuss the many varieties available today. We'll also touch on the health aspects of enjoying bacon and share some mouthwatering recipes you can try at home. So, if you've ever wondered why bacon holds such a special place in our culinary culture, stick around. You might just discover more than you ever expected. The history of bacon. Bacon is more than just a delicious breakfast staple. It carries a rich history that reflects its evolution over the centuries. From ancient beginnings to its role in modern kitchens, bacon has transformed in production techniques and cultural significance. Let's take a closer look at the journey of this beloved food. Ancient beginnings. The earliest forms of bacon date back thousands of years. In ancient civilizations, such as Mesopotamia and China, pork was one of the first meats to be preserved by salting. The term bacon itself comes from the Old French word bacon, which refers to the flesh of a pig. Back then, humans discovered that curing meat not only extended its shelf life but also enhanced its flavor. In Rome, salted pork belly became popular, often prepared with herbs and spices. Consumption of bacon was not limited to mere sustenance, it symbolized prosperity and was included in feasts and celebrations. The roots of bacon are firmly planted in these ancient practices, showing how our ancestors cherished this savory meat. Bacon in the Middle Ages. During the Middle Ages, bacon took on a more significant role in daily life and economy. People began to preserve pork through various methods, including smoking and salting. This technique was vital for families, especially in rural areas, as it provided a reliable food source during the harsh winters. Bacon became a staple in the peasant diet, as it was accessible and affordable. It was often served with bread and vegetables, making it a hearty meal. The importance of bacon continued to grow, eventually leading to the establishment of bacon trades in towns, where butchers specialized in its preparation. The phrase bringing home the bacon actually originates from this time, as it referenced the pride families felt when they could provide this essential food. Modernization of bacon production. The Industrial Revolution brought significant changes to bacon production. Innovations in technology transformed how bacon was made and distributed. With the advent of refrigeration and large-scale processing, bacon production became more efficient. Factories emerged, and with them, mass-produced bacon entered the market. In the 20th century, commercial curing and smoking methods became standardized, leading to a consistent flavor and quality. Today, you can find a variety of bacon products, from traditional cuts to alternatives like turkey and plant-based bacon. These advancements didn't just ensure bacon's popularity, they expanded its presence in various cuisines around the world. Cultural variations of bacon. Bacon isn't just a staple in the United States, it has taken on different meanings and forms across the globe. Each culture has interpreted bacon in unique ways, leading to delicious variations. Canadian bacon, known as pea-meal bacon, this type is made from lean back cuts and is typically rolled in cornmeal. Guanciale, an Italian take. Guanciale is cured pork cheek, essential in classic dishes like pasta carbonara. Pancetta, also from Italy. Pancetta is pork belly that is cured, seasoned and often rolled, serving as an Italian alternative to bacon. Iberico, from Spain. This rich and flavorful bacon comes from free-range pigs, creating a gourmet product that many chefs adore. Different cooking methods also showcase these variations, from crispy frying to slow roasting. Around the world, bacon's versatility adds excitement to countless dishes, proving that this savory treat transcends borders. Bacon carries a tapestry of flavors and traditions woven through time. Understanding its history enriches our appreciation for this beloved food, making each bite a delightful journey through culinary heritage. Types of bacon and their varieties. Bacon comes in various types, each with its unique qualities and uses. Understanding these distinctions can enhance your appreciation for this delicious treat and help you choose the right type for your cooking needs. Streaky bacon versus back bacon. When it comes to bacon, the two main types you'll encounter are streaky bacon and back bacon. They differ significantly in characteristics and common uses. Streaky bacon. This is the bacon that most people are familiar with. Also known as pork belly, it has a higher fat content, resulting in a rich, crispy texture when cooked. Streaky bacon is usually sliced into thin strips and is perfect for breakfast, sandwiches, and dishes like carbonara. Its fat renders beautifully, adding flavor to various dishes. Back bacon, also referred to as Canadian bacon, back bacon comes from the loin of the pig. It's leaner than streaky bacon and has a meaty flavor. Back bacon is commonly found in breakfast menus, often served with eggs or in a breakfast sandwich. Its thicker cuts make it a great option for grilling or frying, providing a hearty bite without excessive fat. The choice between streaky and back bacon often depends on personal preference and the specific dish you're preparing. Both types bring unique flavors and textures to the table. Specialty bacons. Gourmet and specialty bacons have gained popularity in recent years, offering exciting and unique flavors that cater to different tastes. Here are a few noteworthy varieties. Maple bacon, infused with maple syrup. The sweet and savory bacon is perfect for breakfast or as a topping on pancakes. It's a delightful way to enjoy the classic bacon taste with a hint of sweetness. Peppered bacon, seasoned with cracked black pepper, this variety adds a spicy kick to your meals. It's excellent in breakfast dishes or as a tasty addition to sandwiches and salads. Smoked bacon. Regular bacon goes through a smoking process, imparting a rich, smoky flavor. This type works wonderfully in anything from breakfast platters to hearty stews, bringing depth and character to your cooking. Artisan styles. Many butchers and specialty shops now offer artisan bacons, which can include various seasonings and preparations. Think of flavors like garlic, herb, or even spicy chili. These unique options can elevate any dish, making your meals memorable. Exploring these specialty bacons can inspire creativity in the kitchen, turning ordinary recipes into something extraordinary. That's it for part 1. We've learned a lot about bacon's history and varieties. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into some mouthwatering bacon recipes. Don't go anywhere. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.